In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L605 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment program, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on the pinned comments. After you download this resetter, you can just right-click on the file and select extract. After you extract the files, you can open the resetter folder and you can open the adjustment program. For the first time, if the program asking for a password, you can open on the txt files here. After that, you can select particular adjustment mode button. Then, select was inkpad counter and click OK. Please click on main pad counter option, click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process. Try to moving USB printer on another port on your computer. After the resetting process is successfully, you can just click finish and you can turn off the printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson L605 using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.